Hello, today I'm coming on to show you what I received in a swap. This swap was the 80s and 90s group swap. It was hosted by Toni, and she is Craft Purge, and I will put her link below. And so, as you can tell by the title, we had things we needed to make for the 80s and 90s period of time, which brings back a lot of memories for me. And what I received is from Melissa, and she's on Instagram. She's MLSOCCI74. I will also put her link below. So let's start with this cute little box. She's put TV here. Isn't that cute? And then it's outlined with silver, and then one of those cute curly bows. So I'm going to cut the bow off. I like these curly bows. They save you from having to make the curls yourself. Okay. And then she's got it done up here with a little, like a little bread tie, you know. Okay, I cut it accidentally, but that's okay. Okay, so let's see what cuteness lies in here. I remember watching this on Toni's channel, but it's been a while ago, so I'm sure I've forgotten what was in here. But this is such a cute box that she made. I'll show you the whole box as soon as I get this out. Sorry for all the noise. I wanted to leave it in the paper so you could see what it looks like all wrapped up. Look at all these cute colored pom-poms that are falling out. Okay. So here's what the box looks like. Isn't that cute paper on the side? I love that. And then the back. Okay, and here's what it looks like looking down. Okay, so all these cute colored pom-poms in with black shred. Very cute. Get these out of the way. If you hear a sneeze, it's my dog. I always have 1, 2, or 3 dogs in here when I'm in my craft room. Okay, this is one of those cute bags. Oh, I think you can just open it from the top, or maybe you have to cut it. Oh, let's see. Oh, okay, great. Okay, a couple of cute little safety pins with some colored beads, darling. And these cute bracelets. These might light up at night, I'm not sure. Oh, another one. And Pop Rocks. Did you guys eat Pop Rocks when you were growing up? And Fun Dips. I remember eating Fun Dips at the community swimming pool growing up. And then another pin. That's very cute. And Pop Rocks. I did eat those once in a while. Look at these stickers. Scratch and Sniff Pip stickers. Cute. That's really cute. And then, oh my gosh, look at this, you guys. This is a shaker mix. Look at all the fun colors. Stars and little circles and flowers and butterflies. Oh my gosh, that's adorable. But what is even cuter is what she did with the jar. Aquanet. You guys, my mom used Aquanet. My whole life growing up, she used Aquanet. And so, boy, this brings back memories. Isn't that so cute? What a great idea. Talk about clever. Okay, and then, oh, she must make resin things. Because I remember seeing this now on Toni's channel thinking, oh, I bet she makes her own resin stuff. My nails are too long. I'm going tomorrow. They're to the point where I can't hardly do anything. I don't like them long. Okay, well, I'm going to have to cut this bag to get these out, but that's okay. Okay, look how cute these are. Hot pink, blue, yellow. Oh my gosh, aren't those adorable? Can you see them okay? Very, very cute, Melissa. I love those. Super cute. I don't remember what the requirements were, so I'm not even going to try and guess. To me, it doesn't matter when you're showing what you received, you know? You just love what you got and go with the flow. Okay, this looks like a really cute dangle. Oh my gosh, look how cute. Flower, cherry, high heel, heart, steering wheel for a boat, a key, a flip-flop, a flower, a baseball hat. Oh my gosh, and this leaf. Isn't that so cute? I love that. Okay, and then, oh yes, I remember seeing these bows, thinking how clever this was. Okay, so the bows, she's made out of that fake leather, and she has sewed. Look at that. She sewed that one with orange. She sewed this one with lime green, neon green, and then she's wrapped these cute little fur trims around them so that I can use them on projects. And then, so after I use the trim, I'll have the bow to use. Oh my gosh, I love those. Thank you, Melissa. I love those. There's more pom-poms in there. Okay, here's her Memdex. This is so cute. This is a wood cutout, you guys. And then she's actually laced it up with embroidery floss. Look, she's glued little stars on the ends of the strings. And then here's her information. Okay, there's her address. So we'll cover that up. Her favorite color is pink, but she loves pastels. Her birthday is in September. Oh my gosh, I love that. So cute. So, so cute. And then, oh yes, now I remember seeing this. Oh my gosh. Look at this trinket box, you guys. Look how cute she decorated it. Retro songs with a lightning bolt, and then she's folded some paper to make it stand up. And then these trinket boxes come with a little hole on the end. So she's put that cute trim in all different colors. Isn't that cute? And then it slides out. Oh, this is cute. These colors match so good. She's got lightning bolts, cassette tapes. Oh, so fun. More lightning bolts. And then the beads, they all match the colors. Thank you, Melissa. That is darling. I love that. So cute. Okay, and then there's another package here. And it looks like this. It's a pocket. It's got two places. And look how cute. She's tied it with this yellow tulle that has sparkles in it. I love this sparkle tulle, but when I'm using it like for craft fairs and swaps, it gets glitter all over my house when I'm cutting it. I love it, but it sure is messy. Okay, so look at this cute cassette tape. Oh, this is just adorable. See, there's a pocket on the side and then one in the front. I mean, there's a top pocket and then another one on the bottom. Okay. All right, and she's got some cute stickers in here. Very cute. I'm gonna just cut this. That's a cute bag topper, isn't that, darling? Okay, I'll just go through these real quick. Good vibes, some watches. Oh, the ring pop. Glasses for gaming. Feed me. Oh, that's cute. An 8-ball, a TV. Oh, these are really cute. Some headphones. Call me. A world disco ball. And a Rubik's Cube. Oh, cute, cute. Thank you for those too. Okay, and then look at her die cuts. These are adorable. Wow. I bet she did these on a Cricut or a Silhouette because they are just very detailed. I'm not going to take them out of the package, but super cute. And then, oh, this is a bag topper. Isn't that cute? And these are puffed up with double-sided foam tape. Love those colors. So cute. Look at the glasses right here. She's doubled those up with foam tape too to give them some height. Okay, let's see. I'm just going to see what else is in here and take the rest out. Okay. Wow, you can fit a lot of things in these pockets. My goodness, it just keeps coming out. Okay, so there's the pocket, what it looks like. Very cute. Okay, some more. Oh, this is a Memdex again. Isn't that cute? Wow, and she's made them into shakers. Super cute. And then some more die cuts. Darling, I love the 80s. I listen to the radio station in my car is all pretty much 80s, 70s and 80s music, and boy, it brings back memories. And then she made this cute, she's got a cute little card here and with these cute ribbons. I can surely use those. That's cute. I guess I should have read the card first instead of last. And there's a cute shaker mix with the cassette tape. I don't think I put a card in mine. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay, she's left it blank, but she's got some more cute die cuts in here. Very cute. Oh gosh. Boombox. Oh my heck. Floppy disk. Does that bring back memories to any of you guys? Okay, well, thank you, Melissa. Everything is super cute. I love it. Thanks for watching. Please come back and like it and subscribe if you're not a member. And I'll see you again on my next video. Have a good day. Bye.